Emerald City Guitars, a gem tucked away in Seattle's historic Pioneer Square neighborhood that's been supplying musicians and soon-to-be guitar players with anything guitar related for more than 25 years. Until now.
Kind of like at the beginning of the pandemic when we had toilet paper shortages, everybody was panic buying. We're seeing a little bit of that going on in the market.
But we're not talking about toilet paper.
So these are the vacuum tubes that everyone's talking about right now.
So why is this a big deal?
Currently, the majority of the tubes in the world are produced in Russia. And with the sanctions going into effect, it's going to be more and more difficult to get them over here.
Which is not good news to hear for guitar stores and players, considering
A tube can contribute to the sound of a musician's recording, much like the paint that an artist would use to paint a picture.
And despite being small tubes, they're instrumental to how we're able to appreciate this type of music to our ears.
By turning your amp up, you're kind of allowing more electricity and signal to flow through that tube. And as the tube opens up and warms up, you get that nice overdriven sound that you hear on a lot of old blues records, a lot of rock and roll.
Hutchinson says due to the shortage, the price for some tubes have nearly doubled from about $18 to more than $33, if not more. As the shortage continues, Hutchinson says they'll do everything they can to find new suppliers.
To see if we can source anything out, but we're in for a wild ride.
In Seattle, Brady Wakayama, King 5 News.